SKInovative Registered Skin Scrub is a synergistic blend of ultra-fine bamboo stems and lactic acid that is rich in antioxidants. The ideal candidate suffers from cum-done pore congestion, sun damage and wrinkles and wants to achieve youthful vibrant skin but can't find an Amazon product that provides sufficient exfoliation to peel off dead skin cells and clear pores on the face, feet and body. Without proper exfoliation, you won't achieve the results you're looking for and your skin will remain congested, dull and lifeless. This ultimately means you won't look your best and your self-confidence will suffer. A common misconception is that all exfoliants are equally effective and that you should just buy the least expensive skin removal products or scrubbers. Nothing could be further from the truth. Quality ingredients do matter and determine how well they exfoliate and reveal the younger-looking skin that lies beneath the surface. Skin Scrub is rich in natural ingredients, bamboo stems and lactic acid. So if you're a man or woman with problem skin including acne, wrinkles, sunspots, cellulite or scars who wants to uncover smoother younger-looking skin, then this is the product you've been looking for. Specially formulated by SKINovative registered and amazing synergistic DIY natural face scrub exfoliant with a blend of finest botanical bamboo stems that stimulate active cell growth and reveal healthy youthful skin. Our original dual-action formula improves scar wounds and rejuvenates mature, aging, wrinkle-prone skin. It is ideal for men's and women's sensitive skin to cleanse, revitalize and detoxify. Blackhead Terminator Premium Natural and energizing powerful ingredients blend to stop clogged pores, blackheads and comedones in their tracks. Use the natural face exfoliator twice a week for acne breakout prone skin and rinse with water to detox and remain blemish free. It is an at-home deep rejuvenating exfoliating microdermabrasion treatment for men and women with problem skin, dry or oily. Smooths and softens a proprietary blend of flavonoids rich in antioxidants that polish, soften and smooth your skin naturally, leaving it buttery soft each time. The natural exfoliating face wash gently cleanses your skin and does not overdry. A gentle cleansing exfoliator and toner that is rich in nutrients. Premium quality EXFOLIATOR professional grade flip cap with tube allows you to dispense the right amount of product with no mess or waste at the sink or in the shower. Wash and peel away the years with this amazing exfoliating face wash cream. The quest for fresh flawless skin is within reach. Improve your skin health today with our top quality exfoliator. Excellent makeup remover gently cleanses away excess facial oil, makeup and surface impurities while keeping your skin naturally fresh and moisturized. It is a good part of any personal beauty skincare regimen. Produced by SKINovative and backed with 100% money-back guarantee. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.